Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. I know I goof around a lot out here and play around with these guys. And silly stuff like that, I like to joke around. I like to have fun making my channel. There's not a whole lot of you out there that are subscribed and watching my videos, but I really appreciate every one of you that does happen every once in a while, see one of my videos and even comment, like, share, subscribe, whatever. None of that really matters to me. Cystic fibrosis, while a rare genetic disease, affects roughly 70,000 to 165,000 people worldwide. The Cystic Fybrosis Foundation is the world's leader in the search for a cure and supports a broad range of research to tackle the disease from all angles. Thank you for stopping by. If there's any chance that you have the ability to donate a little bit of money or time or energy or anything that you can do to the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation, it is greatly appreciated. I'll put a link in the description. Thank you for watching. So I got the tack installed, and I think it looks pretty good. It works nice. Check this out. It's got like a little delay on it. But that's not the biggest issue, because I'm stupid and I forgot. Watch this when you go to put it in gear. Yeah, I forgot the whole column turns when you... We're getting ready to go to the Indy cars. He came whipping up in this gorgeous Trans Am, 1987, with a 454 big block, twin turbocharged with nitrous. We did just discover that someone put his rims on wrong. I didn't know it, but I guess you can do that on a Trans Am. This is bigger, the same size tire, 245 50/16, but this is a deeper, like an offset rim. This is much shorter. So yeah, we're gonna change those out, not today. Nice car. What'd you just ask me?
Where's all the little guys at?
The infestation. There's one, yeah. Look how beautiful that is. That supercharged twin turbo ZL1 427 from 1967, making 18,000 horsepower. Oh, and here comes rolling up in the Stang. Waiting for a rod to fly out of there. There it is. Making noise, making noise. Well, here comes the whitest car in town. Just came rolling up, baby. If you're ready, we can roll. All right, we're following Nick. Let's go. We're ready. So we're rolling along at a decent pace. Everybody's following in line. I can't really see, but hopefully they're all doing all right. We're gonna get out on a 4-lane road here in a minute. They'll be able to go on by me. So I got a feeling at least one of these guys is gonna want to get around me here in a second. I would imagine it would be that guy. Oh, there's that old Cordoba. Nice car. Working hard, working hard.
I'm snaps. You can send those to people. I snap my pants every morning when I put them on. What's a Twitter?
Yeah, I can't believe you're saying Twitter.
You know,
I didn't see your YouTube channel.
I have a YouTube channel.
You didn't blow up with 3,000 views.
You got 3,000 views?
Yeah.
2,999 of them are you.
Yeah. I'm the one. I'm the one who put my bad comments up. Uh-oh, there's some troublemakers over there. That's right.
You're pretty hot too.
Tell us about the car. What do you got? What year? What kind of car?
It is a 1982 Corvette with a 327
Stingray?
fuel injection. No.
327 fuel injected.
I'm gonna just pop the hood a little bit here.
Yeah, do that. I want to see what's up.
It likes to leak a little oil right now.
Oh, that's what happens.
Is that what I was smelling?
Yeah, you smell a little oil. I just changed the.
Oh, yeah, there's some oil there. Nice, nice, nice. I'm loving it.
So yeah, just changed the.
Those are some monster plug wires. 10.2 millimeter. Wow.
Big
Those
guy.
are like hoses.
Oh yeah.
And we got to go over there and look at. We already saw the Firebird,
Oh yeah.
the Trans Am. Look at this. Look how wide those tires are on the back of that thing.
She's a.
These are
got some
monster
grip.
Coopers. Yeah, it's got some grip.
I don't know what the rear end is. No idea.
Yeah. As
Okay.
big as my
700
thumb.
turbo, 700 transmission.
Well, let's go see what's in this. What's under the hood of the Ford. It's a big old wide motor. What are we rocking here?
This is a 4.6 V8 GT 5-speed manual transmission.
What year?
96.
96 Mustang with a stick. Oh, yeah, yeah, and then there's the GT. Well, where'd Nick go? Nick would like that one. Gorgeous.
Filthy dirty.
They are.
It's got Pontiac motor in it, right?
Yep.
All right, I love it.
It's a 400. Not the original, but
I miss my old Pontiacs.
they still sell them, but they're a lot more money now.
You mind if we look underneath the hood?
Oh, hang on.
I got a YouTube channel. I'm trying to raise awareness for Indy and trying to get people to donate online. Oh yeah, Pontiac Blue.
Yep.
I haven't seen one of these since the 80s.
Turns out they're expensive to put together.
Yes, sir. They were then too. You know, the funny thing about the Pontiacs was they were always like half big block, half small block.
Yeah.
You never really could tell. And the way the heads, the exhaust bolts up underneath it.
Yeah, it's a
That
real
was
laugh
always
when you
fun.
try and put headers on that.
Yes,
son of a
sir.
bitch.
I know it. Gorgeous. What year is this?
69.
69 GTO. I love it.
Well, but it ran.
Are you going to keep DAC on it?
Yes.
Are you?
Yeah. Nothing annoys me more than seeing somebody rip the air conditioning off the damn thing.
Oh, no.
It's
Come
supposed to
look,
be just leave
come
it
look
on
at
there.
this. This is going to annoy you.
I like it.
So, I deleted the AC. I just can't stand working around them. And I figured if it's hot, roll the windows down. That's how I am. I don't like AC in the house either. So.
260 air is what we used to call it.
Yes, sir.
It's fine.
You know, I was trying to figure out, your neighbor built this car, right?
Yeah. No.
No, your neighbor, Jamie.
Oh, yeah.
Three-
Dad.
327,
Yes.
fuel injected
Yes.
with a coil.
Yeah, I know what that means.
That's interesting to me. I mean,
The MSD ignition, the cap and everything, it's got the extra oil. It's neat though.
yeah, I mean, I haven't seen it. I always figured you would.
This guy ran over and pulled into the gas station.
By who? One of these guys?
No, not by one of these guys, surprisingly. It's better than
Bad
half the
news.
tank you filled up.
Yeah. You ripped that off and see what
I seen that. I'm like, oh, this is an 83.
Oh, really?
I'm like, 82.
I was gonna take this off right away and I realized it's got a bunch of bolts going inside there. I'm like, okay, it'll come off later.
20 years ago.
Makes it a sleeper. No, that's true. Because yeah, they think it was 200 horses. Yeah, they got.
We've done a lot on the inside.
I see that.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I believe the other one's in the museum.
No time to stop, but I went one day. And haven't yet. And now it's not worth going down there just to do that.
No, I'm gonna go down there with the kids.
It really was such a beautiful day, and a bunch of old friends and family got to just meet up with some new friends and family, and it was for such a good cause. Like I said before at the beginning of the video, if you would just please go to the description on this video and click the link for Cystic Fibrosis and donate anything that you can. Donate it under Taylor Mark or Brittany Seegers, and man, you would be helping so many people in so many ways. Like, share, and subscribe if you get an opportunity, but that doesn't mean anything to me, just if it would raise awareness. Quite honestly, if I would ever go viral and make a whole bunch of money off of YouTube or anything like that, I promise you right now, 100% of that money I would ever receive would go to the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation, St. Jude's Children's Hospital, and Riley's Children's Hospitals. They're such great organizations helping young, sick children and adults alike all over the world.